veggies.
Yes, I've prepared all the vegetables that want to go into this casserole. I've buttered my dish and I've put a layer of potatoes on bottom. Now I've got onion, peas, carrots. I've got sage and onion stuffing with a bit of chopped raw onion in it. And this is sauce mix. Now it's like that when you have it. And it goes like...
So can I see it label? Sauce mix original.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, that is quite expensive, but it's the vegetarian option to sausage meat. So if you're not bothered, if you want to use sausage meat,
yeah.
you can use sausage meat. Right?
Yeah.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix my stuffing with the sauce mix.
Did you make the stuffing yourself?
Yeah, it's just a pack of stuffing.
All right.
Over there, it's just a sage and onion.
There.
Oh, now also I've got tomatoes.
Fresh tomatoes? Oh,
tin tomatoes with salt and pepper in, and they go over the top. And also I've got a vegetable stock cube. Now if you wanted to use a beef stock cube, you could do. It's just I'm doing
a
vegetarian option because Tracy loves this one.
And is it a casserole?
It's a casserole,
right.
Yeah. So when I've prepared it all, it's going to go nearer tea time. I'm going to put it in the oven for about an hour.
Right.
Now, this might vary. So what I suggest, if anybody is going to make this, that you test it with a knife once you've had it in an hour and see if the knife goes through your potatoes and your carrots.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, I'm just going to find it. I've just a little bit of plain flour left. I just want to put it on my hands a bit so that when I pick this up to roll it into form it into a ball. Yeah. I mean, don't be too precise with these balls because they're they get soaked up and all sort of broken up in cooking. They don't stay as balls. So that's what my bottom looks like with my stuffing and my thing on. And then I'm going to put another layer of potatoes. Salt on it. Touch of pepper. And then I'm going in with the onion.
No air frying here, Graham.
No, I'm sorry, Graham. Although I was watching MasterChef and they did use air fryers.
Ah.
They were all given an air fryer and none of them knew how to use it.
That were in
None of
Australia, wasn't it?
Yeah, none of them had used it before. One of them said her children had been tickled pink because they'd been asking her to get an air fryer for a while.
All right.
Right, so that's your onions, and then just a layer of peas, frozen peas. That'll do. And then I've got my layer of carrots. Now this will take a while.
Just film a few.
Oops, pea escaping. So that's that.
Another layer of potatoes.
Another layer of potatoes.
What do you say you're doing?
I'm doing a big one because Tracy really likes this. So if there's any left after tonight, she'll have it tomorrow.
All right.
And me and you will be having it. And I've got last time I did a shepherd's pie, I put one in the freezer. So I've taken that out for Alethea for her tea.
All right.
Oh, there's a bit of pasta left from last night. There,
Right.
that's that. Now, this goes on top.
Oh,
I'm going to do
do you know
this.
something?
What?
I think I turned it off. I don't think I filmed it.
Filmed what?
The boat.
Oh,
Would you believe it?
oh dear. Now, I think the gravy bit, I think I'll leave till I'm ready for putting it in the oven, because if I pour it in now, it'll soak into all
Yeah.
stuffing and that. So, that's it.
That's it prepared, ready
That's
to.
it
And
prepared.
you're gonna
Apart from that going
bung it in oven at about what time?
4.
4 o'clock.
Yeah.
So how long will it be in?
Well, that if it takes an hour, that'll be ready at 5. But then if it needs longer, I've got
Right.
longer, because
Right.
Tracy won't be in, well, 5:30, 6,
Yeah.
will she?
No.
So put that over here. That's the shepherd's pie for Alethea. And I'll put
So that's it.
there's just half a pint of stock there. And that's it.
Vegetarian casserole. And what do you say this is at side of it
That's a shepherd's pie for Alethea.
that you've made?
Yeah, that I made.
Okay.
Same company.
You want the light on?
Where's the casserole?
It's still in the oven.
Spring cabbage.
Yes. Bit late for spring cabbage, but that's what we're having. Don't know where it's come from.
Out of ground.
is heavy. That one.
That's Olivia's cottage pie.
Cottage pie.
So there we have it, folks.
Yeah, we'll show you it when we put it on plate.
There be mine on its plate.